Greetings from Finland to you, Perl and Raku people, my friend, colleagues, and beloved community. Andrei is here. Hello from National Library of Finland, whom I represent, and I'm here to share my movements around Koha community and relations with Perl community and Koha as a product. I wish I could be there in person with you in all those incredible moments which we usually have even before and after conference. But sadly, I'm speaking remotely. But thanks for organizers to allowing for me to speak on this important topic for Perl. I want to speak today about Ukrainian libraries post-war and help us and restoration initiative, which I'm organizing. It's also Koha related. I will be speaking about mostly Koha Ambassadorship, which I'm proposing for you Perl people to join and explain why. And of course, some news from Koha community and my activities between both communities. So last year, I was organizer with my team of Perl and Koha Conference 2023 in Helsinki. It was actually more or less full-featured Perl conference, where we mixed us with library topics and slightly Koha conference. Thanks for many Perl people to come, and it was somehow Perl conference for that year. I would say this year we have London Perl workshop, which picking up the flag further, and I hope we will have this things happening more often. Of course, German Perl workshop. Hello to you guys as well. So on that conference in Helsinki, we declared Ukrainian libraries post-war help and restoration initiative. Idea was to help on bigger scale for libraries which destroyed by war currently ongoing and to prepare to act after. But we also started to convert Koha old proprietary library software and not digitalized libraries to Koha, to Perl software. So this going well. I converted dozen of libraries, more to come. Of course, I might need your hand and more people Perl experience and sysadmin experience. Please join, follow this link. You will find this talk, bit.ly reference. And next week, Koha Open Source Ambassadors Initiative. I'm declared it on Perl and Raku conference in Las Vegas. I repeated on KohaCon in Montreal this season. I represented Koha and Perl community, both of them on workshop, more librarian specific conference even. So what is a Koha Ambassadorship? Actually, it's idea to look for your help to make more instances of Koha product around the world to make Perl expansion. We should just find even libraries around your neighborhood, or you can join open source development tasks. We have a lot of tasks in Koha community. So just read these proposals. What I have here, follow this bit.ly/this_talk link, and please give me a hand. Follow me for those activities, which I will be posting on some social media. And also we have recent news after the conference. We have Koha Foundation organized. We have prepared for FOSDEM 25, and I'm working on representing Perl community on Koha Community Hackfest in Marseille. And also, I will be further representing Koha and Koha community on open source Perl events and for Perl community, and represent Perl community for Koha people. And as well, I will be going with this Koha Ambassadorship initiative, Ukrainian Libraries Restoration Initiative. And of course, I want to say that thank you, and please check these slides, contact me. Missing you so much.